dangling from the space station, doing some pretty important work.
Yeah, that sounds great. We don't have helmet camera views just yet, but we do hope to get those as the spacewalk gets going. And seeing Jessica Meir make not her first steps, but her first float out of the hatch there. Of the Quest airlock hatch. Again, today's spacewalk officially began at 6:30.
But boy, when that sun goes down, it's a much different view. So having handrail numbers called out can sometimes keep you in the straight line path you're intending.
And it looks like we will be heading into a dark portion of this orbit in the next minute, or next few minutes. And so we'll first the P4 work site, or a work site on P4 truss. She'll get out of the off of the robotic arm there, and with the help of Jessica Meir, carry the battery discharge unit over to P6, where they'll be installing it. The logistics carrier with the new battery charge discharge unit, Jessica Meir is installing 2 of the handles that she picked up from the old batteries onto the old battery charge discharge unit. She's then going to get a ratchet wrench ready.
Counter 2.